Hello everybody, today it's a bad day, rain, everything. And we want to make today eggplant rollatini. Now I got the eggplant over here already. I slice really thin and I put in the oven for 3 minutes. It's it. And after you take it out, then you put the rest. Now I got over here my homemade tomato sauce. I got ricotta cheese, mozzarella. I got 1 egg, pecorino cheese. I got this parsley, it's from my garden, salt, and black pepper. Now eggplant, when I slice with this machine, because everybody see it's a brand new. I buy yesterday, it's a brand new machine, it come out a couple of months ago. And I was buy the slice of the eggplant. Okay, now, for start, look at the parsley I got from my garden outside. It's so beautiful. Okay, now we start. I put 1 egg in the ricotta. I got a mozzarella. And I mix it together. I got a parsley. I got a salt. And I got a black pepper.
Somebody from London make you eggplant parmesan for dinner.
Okay, really good. The eggplant parmesan. But we make rollatini eggplant. Now, what I gotta do, I gotta put a little cheese. Now, this I like a pecorino cheese. I use a Parmigiano cheese, a pecorino cheese, any kind of the cheese you want to shred, it's good. And I got the oven on already. And I use my oven, it's all the time on 400 degrees. So maybe next time what I do, I gotta put on 399.9. Like this we change a little bit, but I like to cook on 400 degrees.
Dzień dobry, Natalia.
Okay, now we give a nice mix, everything together. Okay, look how beautiful this ricotta, it's nice.
Mention what kind of ricotta and mozzarella you're using.
It's all, what do you call it?
Whole milk.
Whole milk mozzarella and the same thing the ricotta. I don't like the skin mozzarella, take everything out. I want really good one. Okay.
Michael, you said, what is the wine?
The wine, I got a wine. Let me put this now, right over here on this board. And look how beautiful it look. My new machine, it did a good job, you know?
Yep.
You take this layout.
We have a lot of people from Australia. Can you say hello to everybody?
Hello for Australia. Hello everybody.
Listen, she make you pasta fasul.
Oh, good. Pasta fagiolo. Okay, now, this, it's ready. I gotta fix. I got the sauce. And we put little sauce on the bottom of the dish. Like this. And you do like that. Okay, you gotta go all over the place, the sauce and on the bottle. Okay.
Somebody want to say what kind of machine you do for the eggplant?
It's a brand new machine. Look, it's a brand new, brand new.
You got the name of the machine? Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, it come out for the. It's a national. All right.
National Food Slicer. This is antique old one.
I think this one it's more older than me. Okay, let's put a little wine. Okay, I want to say salute e cincine to everybody. And we make a nice, beautiful eggplant rollatini now. Salute e cincine. Okay, now we pour the ricotta.
Giovanni is watching you too.
Although hi Giovanni. Everything, come si va in Francia? Tutto bene? Lo so, non troppo bene, ma you know why? Let me take like, I want to take a little spoon. I think I work better with a spoon like this, okay?
No, he just put a slice and put in a little oil and cook in the oven. Bake in the oven.
Okay. Okay, now we roll like this. Now when you put on the pots and the sauce, make sure this it be done like that. Okay, you don't want to be open up after. And you do all like that.
Can you say a little Jade, 8 years old, birthday, happy birthday?
Happy birthday, little Jay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jay, 8 years old. We put a little, like this, we put a 5. You see, you gotta put in the oven a little bit of the eggplant, okay? Like this you can roll. So you not do maybe it break on you, but like this it come out really good. See? Okay, I got it. Okay. That's a 3. I need 2 more. Okay, I got 2 more over here. All right, good.
Yes, the skin is on, yes.
Yes, I keep the skin on. Now it's a good time to make this eggplant rollatini. Everybody be home. Enjoy it with the kids. The kids, everybody be home. And the kids love to play with the mother or the father. They play this kind, the cook, everything. Like this is a time the kids they learn more for the house. And, you know, I love it.
Like squeeze maybe more. You have more? Okay.
You want to put more?
Like one extra each side.
One more?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Because you have over there 2 more.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, we put one more. It's all right. I can put one extra more. I got one.
Perfect.
Hey, I got another one. All right. Okay. And we put one over here. And one over here. All right, now what I do, I put a little sauce on the top.
He slices with this little hand machine. It's like an old antique machine. You can slice everything.
Why you say it's antique? It's not antique. This is more older than me.
That's what I'm saying. It's antique.
You think I'm an antique now?
Yep.
Okay, now we clean up the dish a little bit. You got a little sauce. Okay, was go. Because I put in the oven after this, you burn the sauce. And we keep it nice, clean like that. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to put the mozzarella on the top.
It looks so good.
I like lighter mozzarella. Okay, before I put in the oven this, I want to say salute e cincin everybody. And I want to put little pecorino cheese on the top shred. Salute e cincin. And now we put a little pecorino cheese on the top too. Okay, now this is go in the oven. It's a 400 degree for half hour.
20 minutes.
Okay, and we put this in the oven. Cause this it's everything. No, the eggplant. No, it's not really. You gotta cook long. The only thing you gotta melt the mozzarella for 20 minutes. This at 400 degree. It's okay. Now we put in the oven. After when they come out, we take a nice piece and we show it everybody. Okay, I want to say thank you very much to everybody. I hope everybody be good, everybody, stay home. Thank you very much. Somebody give it the star. And thank you very much for everybody. Thank you, and we see you again. Thank you very much. See you.